Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, how are you all? Yes, I hope you had completed the video number 1 and now we are in the video number 2 for the Kcet chemistry. Okay, so see, video number 1 was the totally basic concept, the important formulas, tricks, everything was there. Okay, now in the video number 2 we are going to solve the PYQs and HOTS questions. HOTS means not that one. Okay, HOTS means high order thinking skills. खेलो दिमाग से. Okay, so guys, चलो भैया चलो. So get ready. One thing, very important thing is, guys, in numerical you have to be very quick. Okay, you have to be very quick in the calculation part, because in the examination you can't use the calculator. In your PUC examination you had used the calculator, so you are in the chill pill mode, so you have to come out from that mode, that zone, and you have to start doing the calculation, the manual calculation. So see, manual calculation means the calculation will not be so much lengthy and all. Normal calculation, like the calculation which you did already in the class 7th, 8th, 9th, that type of manual calculation you will be having. Okay, so chalo, we'll start the things. Okay, so guys, here we have total of I don't know how many questions. Let's just check it out. So here can share. Is it cheating, guys? It won't come now. So here we have Okay, here we have 47 questions, guys. We have 47 questions from just first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. If you are good in this 47 questions, guys, 2 marks is yours. As I have told you, in this chapter, sometimes they will ask 1 question, sometimes they will ask 2 questions. 2 questions means 2 marks. If your luck is very good, they will ask the 3 questions. So chalo bhaiya, chalo. So in this all, like I have told you, last 20 years. Okay, last 20 years PYQ is also included, and then extra questions like most expected type of questions is also included. Okay, so chalo. Now find degree Celsius if degree Fahrenheit is given. So guys, we know the relation, not yours. I don't know your relationship. Chalo bhaiya. Oh bhaiya, focus. So find degree Celsius if degree Fahrenheit. So guys, what we have to find? We have to find degree Celsius if degree Fahrenheit is given. So what is the relation where we have to find the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit is given? Yes, this is the relation. Degree Celsius is equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5/9. So in place of Fahrenheit, we'll use the value, that is 50. So 50 minus 32, see F minus 32, so 50 minus 32 into 5/9. So 50 minus 32, we know 18 into 5/9. So we can do this 9 1 the 9 to the 18, so 2 5 the 10 degrees Celsius. That's it. Okay, so guys, in the examination, just check it out. 10 degrees Celsius or 10 degree Fahrenheit, where you are taking. Okay, you have to find that degree Celsius, so you will take on 10 degrees Celsius. In examination, you will get the 4 options, and you know the very important thing is what? You don't have negative marking. Oh la la la, very good. See, you don't have negative marking means what you will do? First, you will start solving the questions in which you have confidence. Okay, see, suppose you started question number 1 is, you know the question number 1, you solved it. Question number 2, you know, you solved it. Question number 3, you don't know, but still you are going to try. No bhai, don't do like this. This is a waste of time. Okay, so what you will do? Question number 1, you will see, I know, you will solve, done. Question number 2, I know, you will solve. Question number 3, you think that no, I don't know, so then move for question number 4, I don't know. Move for question number 5, yes, I know, you solve it. Move to the question number 6. If question number 6, you know that I know, but when you started solving, you stuck in the half. So don't worry about that and don't give the time there. Okay, if you stuck in half, just see for 10 to 20 seconds. No, you cannot able to find it out, so you got stuck, so leave it off. Move to the question number 7. Move to the next question. Okay, so which question, if you don't think that no, I don't know, don't waste the time. And second thing is, which question you think that no, you know, but when you start solving, you got stuck. If you got stuck means just see for 10-15 seconds. If you're not getting, leave it and then move for the next question. And then remaining guys, don't try to leave the question. First you solve all the questions in which you are confident. Then at the last you do akkadavakkadavambebo and then bubble and come. Because no negative marking, who knows, in bubbling, if your luck is good, you will get the marks. 4 marks, 5 marks. So understand here 4 to 5 marks also will be a huge difference in the rank. Okay. Because see, whenever any competitive exam you will write, mostly the science student, everywhere you are fighting for the rank. It's not just passing or it's not just cut off. You are fighting for the rank, because rank, good marks give good rank give good college give good placement will give good salary will give good life will give good life milk. What? Oh bhaiya chalo. Okay. So find degree Fahrenheit if degree Celsius is given. So we have to know, you have to know that which formula it will suit, where we have to find the degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius is given. So like this one you have to find the relation. Okay. So this is the formula where degree Fahrenheit we have to find and degree Celsius is given. That's it. So C into 9 by 5 plus 32. The value of C means this C is nothing but degree Celsius. So degree Celsius what? 100 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Guys, 5 on the 5, this 20 into 9, 180, 20 into 9, this is 180. 180 plus 32, 0 plus 2, 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 212 degree. Right? If you know this, you can do. If you don't know, panda yeah. If you don't know guys, you can do this. You can use your chuttu brain and you can do like this too. Sorry guys, pen ka. You can do it like this. 180 plus 32, 0 plus 2, 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 212. Or if you are good, you can do direct calculation. But you have to very fast. You have to be very fast. Okay. Now temperature of 25 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale means we have to find the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius is given, means degree Celsius is given, we have to find in Fahrenheit. So we know that which formula where we have to find Fahrenheit and degree Celsius is given. This formula, Fahrenheit is equals to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. So degree Celsius is what? 25. So 25 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 on the 5, 5 5 the 25. So 5 9 the 45. 45 plus 32. 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 3 7. So they said temperature of 25 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit, means degree Celsius is given, we have to find Fahrenheit. We'll use this formula and we got 77 degree Fahrenheit. And Kelvin scale means degree Celsius is given and you have to find Kelvin scale. So which formula? Kelvin equals to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So degree Celsius is 25 degrees Celsius plus 273.15. It will become 298.15 Kelvin. Ashte guys, ashte. Okay. An aqueous solution of alcohol contains 18 gram of water and 414 gram of ethyl alcohol. Guys, see, ethyl alcohol, we know the formula, it is C2H5OH. Very simple guys, this is ethyl. Ethyl means C2H5 is ethyl. Alcohol means OH will come, the C2H5OH. So 18 gram of H2O we have and 414 gram of ethyl alcohol. Find mole fraction of H2O. Mole fraction we know, right? Mole fraction is represented by you will say X. Move on. It is chi. So we have to find the mole fraction of H2O, water. So guys, what is the formula of mole fraction of water? So number of moles of water divided by number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethyl alcohol. Because what is happening? We will take a solution. Last class I told solution. What is solution, right? If you know, you know. So an aqueous solution of alcohol contains 18 gram water and 414 gram ethyl alcohol. So we are talking about water and ethyl alcohol. So that's why if you have to find the mole fraction of water, then we'll see the number of moles of water divided by number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethyl alcohol. So guys, number of moles, what is the formula of number of moles? Jaldi jaldi bolo na bhaiya. Yes, if you know, you know. Number of moles based number of moles having three formula based upon different things like what is given. If mass is given, then given mass by molar mass. If particles are given like 10 to power of something, that type of particles are given means that value divided by Avogadro number. If volume is given, then volume divided by STP. Okay, the STP depends upon what we are taking. It's sometimes 22.4, sometimes 22.7 liter. So like that we have to see. Okay, STP means standard temperature pressure. When we are keeping the same temperature and pressure, when we are keeping the same temperature and pressure, in that condition we will take STP. Okay, number of moles of H2O. Number of moles of H2O, what is given? Oh, gram. Gram means mass is given. Mass is given means given mass by molar mass. So H2O molar mass is 18, and I hope everyone knows how to find the molar mass. So देखो भैया, H2O means H2O. So what is the molar mass of hydrogen? 1. And how many hydrogen are there? 2. So 1 into 2 plus, we know after every element we have to do plus. Oxygen is what? 16. And how many oxygen are there? 1 oxygen only. So 2 1 the 2 plus 16, it is 18. That's it. Okay guys, see in the examination, if they will tell you to find the molecular mass, okay, or formula mass, then that time you will write 18 AMU or you will write 18 U based upon what is the option given, AMU or U. But if they will tell you, see, suppose they will say find the molar mass of H2O or find the formula mass of H2O, that's fine, 18 AMU or 18 U based upon the what is given in option. Sorry guys, sorry. Next is, if they will say you to find the gram molecular mass or gram formula mass. So remember the thing guys, if they will say the word gram, find the gram molecular mass or gram formula mass, then unit will become gram. Then that time don't keep the unit this, the unit will become gram, because obviously they said gram formula mass, gram molecular mass, so they are talking about gram. Okay, now number of moles of H2O. The given mass is what? 18 divided by molar mass of H2O is 18. Then number of moles of H2O, 18 by 18 plus number of moles of ethyl alcohol. The given mass by molar mass. The given mass is what? 404 divided by molar mass of C2H5OH. We know how to find, right? Carbon atomic mass is what? 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. Like this you will get 46. Okay, in the like during your classes, during a PU board and all, you know how to find the formula mass, molecular mass. Okay, so guys, see 18 will get cancelled, you will get 1. Again 18 will get cancelled, you will get 1. Now 46 into 9 is 414. So 46 divided by 414 means 9 times. So numerator is 1 by denominator is 1 plus 9. So 1 by 10. So depends upon option. If option is given 1 by 10, we'll write 1 by 10, otherwise 0.1. That's it. Khalas. Okay. In a chemical reaction, 10 gram of A reacts with 20 gram of B and forms. Form means it will go into the product side. And form 5 gram of C and dash gram of D. Okay. Dash means what we will take? We will take X, not yours. So guys, see, just we will write the chemical reaction, and the chemical reaction should be balanced. So here they said A reacts with 10 gram of A. So A, which is 10 gram, reacts means what? Plus, reacts with 20 gram of B, which is 20 gram, and form means nothing but it gives. Okay, it gives what? 5 gram of C is which is 5 gram, and X gram of D which is X gram. Okay, so A plus B reacts and they give C plus D. So guys, see, we have to find X. So understand very important thing, whenever you will get this type of question, like they had given the like weight of the few things, few elements, sorry, few compounds, weight of the elements or compound they had given, and you have to find the weight of remaining one. Okay, here you can see A, B, C, D. Four are there. So in that they had given the weight of A, B, C. We have to find the weight of D. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to balance the chemical reaction. So all the chemical reaction are balanced. So here we are going to use which law? Yes, if you know guys, you know, law of conservation of mass. We are going to use here law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass means what? Total mass on the reactant is equals to total mass of product. So total mass of reactant is what? 10 plus 20, 30 gram, and total mass of product is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. So we know how to find the value of x. We'll send the 5 that side. So this plus 5 will go that side, will become minus 5. So 30 minus 5, x is 25. Okay. So whenever you will get this type of question where they had given the 3 compound, 4 compounds, and they will give the weight of each and every compound, but you have to find the weight of one compound. So that time we will use the law of conservation of mass. The formula for law of conservation of mass is mass or total mass of reactant equals to total mass of product. Khalas. Okay, add 2.6 kg and 3.44. Guys, when you will add this 3.4 plus 2. Guys, see 2.6 means where, don't write 2.6 here. Okay, 3.44, 2.6. No, if you will write like that, it will become 2.06. So 2.6, how we are going to write? We are going to write like this, 2.6, and nothing but we know, right? 2.6 means what? 2.60. So like that you have to write. So add 4 plus 0, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6.04, 6.04. So you got the answer 6.04. But guys, this is addition. In addition, what we know, the final result should be at fewest decimal place. In addition and subtraction, the final result should, we have to convert to fewest decimal place. In multiplication and addition, we have to convert the final result to fewest significant figure. So here this is addition, so we'll convert to fewest. Yes, fewest decimal. Fewest decimal means after the decimal here we have 1 digit. After the decimal here we have 2 digits. So which is the fewest? Fewest is nothing but smallest significant. Sorry, smallest. Fewest decimal place means smallest decimal. So here we have a decimal of 1 digit. Here we have a decimal of 2 digit, which is smallest, 1 digit. So we have to round off to 1 digit. 1 digit means what? 1 digit. See, we are checking after the decimal. We are checking after the decimal. So that 1 digit, 2 digit, whatever we will come, we have to do after the decimal. So 6.04 we have to convert to 1 digit after the decimal, because in addition and subtraction we will see the final result should be converted to fewest decimal value. Fewest decimal value means smallest decimal value. So we have to see the which is the smallest decimal value. So if we are seeing the smallest decimal value, so then conversion will also happen for the decimal values. Okay. And multiplication and addition, sorry, multiplication and division we will do for the smallest significant figure. There we'll count how many significant figure, according to that will change. Okay, so 6.04 means what is the smallest, fewest or smallest decimal value is 1. So we have to convert this to 1. So 04 will convert to where? 0. So 6.0, this is nothing but we have to do the round off. Okay, so 6.0 kg is the answer. Now guys, if you will add 8.6 to 8.6 to 11.354, then 14.4052. When you will add this all, see, nothing means what? Will consider as 0. So 2, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 1, 10, plus 4, 14, 4 carry 1, 1, 2, 3. We got 34.3792. But guys, this is addition. So we have to round off to fewest decimal. Fewest decimal means here after decimal we have a 2 digit. After decimal we have a 3 digit. After decimal we have a 4 digit. So what is the fewest? Bolo re pyare, are jaldi jaldi bolo. What is the fewest? Yes sir, this 2 digit is the fewest after the decimal. So here also after the decimal we'll round off to just 2 digits. So guys, rounding off we should have to know. See, means before the decimal we are not going to change anything, so it will remain 34 as it is, 34 point. Now after the decimal we have to round off to 2 digits. So 2 digits means, guys, understand very important thing, 2 digits means first digit keep as it is, first digit keep as it is, 34.3. If suppose 3 digits, we have to round off to 3 digits, means what we will do, first 2 digit we will keep as it is. If we have to round off to 4 digits, means after decimal, so keep the first 3 digit as it is, just we have to round off last digit. So here also we have to round off to 2 digit, 2 digit means first digit I will keep as it is. Now we have to round off to next digit, next digit means you see here 79, 79. So 79 means it will convert to 80, 80 means 8. So like this, what we will do, for 2 digit the first digit will be as it is. Now second digit means you have to check it out, this 79 will round off to 80 means 34.38, like that. Okay, if suppose this same 34.3792 we got, and we have to round off to 3 digits, we have to round off to 3 digit after decimal. So means before the decimal it will remain as it is, 34 point, and guys we have to round off to 3 digits. So round off to 3 digit means first 2 digit will remain as it is, so 34.37, the first 2 digit will remain as it is, 37. Now we have to round off third digit, third digit means this. So for rounding of third digit we'll take the 2 digit and we'll just check it out, 92 will go to 100 side, 92 will go to 100 side. So like this. So what will happen here, 34.371, this will be the round off to 3 digits. Okay, now guys we have to add 6.65 into 10 to power of 4 and 8.95 into 10 to power of 3. Oh, one is 10 to power of 4, other is 10 to power of 3. So what we are going to do, we will see the options, all the options are in the form of 10 to power of 4. So what we will do, we'll keep this as it is because this is already 10 to power of 4. This we are converting into 10 to power of 4, means what, we have to increase the power. Guys, we know if you have to increase the power, the point will shift to the left hand side. If you have to decrease the power, the point will shift to the right hand side. The point will shift to the left hand side, it will become 0.895. okay, 6.65 plus 0.895. if you will add 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 5 14, 4 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 बोलो रे भैया 15, 5 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, so 7.545. now addition, so we'll see after decimal we have a 2 digit, after decimal we have a 2 digits only, so we'll round off to 2 digit. The 7 point will remain as it is, 7 point. Now guys, round off to 2 digit, round off to 2 digit means first digit will remain as it is, so 7.5. now for rounding of second digit we will take this 2 digit. The 45 will round off to 50. This next digit what will come? 5 only. So 7.55. 7.55 into 10 to power of 4. Okay, like this. Because 45, you see 41, 42, 43, 44 will convert to 40. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 will convert to 50. Right? Now this one you have to do, subtract 35.648 and 22.12. guys, same, if you know how to do subtract, first we'll write the bigger number 35.648, from that we'll minus 22.12 and nothing is there, means 0. So when you will do, you will get this 13.528. so 13.528 means it is subtract the lowest this decimal, this is 3 digit, here we have a 2 digit, so we'll round off to 2 digit. So 2 digit means first digit will remain as it is, 13.5. now for rounding of second digit we have to check it out, this 2, so 28 will round off to 30, so it will become 13.53. okay, now next, give the answer for 2.5 into 1.25 in significant figure. I see, if you multiply this, you know how to multiply 1.25 into 2.5. Let's multiply. 5 5 are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 to the 10 to 12, 2 carry 1, 5 on the 5 plus 1 6. Then 5 to the 10 0 carry 1, 2 to the 4 1 5, 2 on the 2. Then it will become 5 2 6 plus 5 11 1 carry 1 2 plus 1 3 3 1 2 5. And then how many digits after? 1 2 3 3 digits. After 3 digits we have to put the decimal point. 1 2 3. So you'll get 3.125. Like this fast calculation guys you have to do. If you do a very small if you do a slow calculation, you have to increase the calculation. Okay, you have to increase the speed for the calculation. Now if it is multiplication or division, what we have to do? We have to take the fewest significant figure. Okay, addition subtraction, fewest means smallest or lowest decimal value. Then multiplication and division, fewest significant number. So what is the lowest significant number? This is a 2. Here we have a 3. So we have to round off to 2 significant figure. So 2 significant figure means this 3.1, because 1 2 means it will round off to 10. So 3.1 is the correct answer. We know this, right? Very good. Next, 0.00077 has how many significant figure? Guys, already we know this. If we are taking a decimal or if we are not taking a decimal, see this is a decimal form. If we are taking in a decimal form or if we are not taking in a decimal form, any zero which is left side of the non-zero digit, it is not significant. So only we have a 2 significant figure. The number of significant figure in 80 elements, guys, see here they fixed the number. What they said, 80 elements, the number is fixed. 80 elements means how you will write? 80.00000000, right? So the number is fixed. 80 element number is fixed. Fixed means infinite significant figure. 8.281 has dash significant figure. It's all are non-zero. Non-zero means we will add 1 2 3 4 significant figure. Okay, next, after rounding of 1.235 and 1.225 to 3 significant figure, what we will get? So see, 1.235 to 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure means first 2 significant figure we will keep as it is. First 2 significant figure we will keep as it is. So 1.2 will remain as it is. Now third one means this 35. For third one we will take this 2. So 35 will round off to 40. So it will become 1.24. Yes, 1.24. Next is 1.225 to 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure means the 2 significant figure we will keep as it is. So it will become 1.2. It will remain as it is, the 2. For third, what we will do? Are jaldi bolo re bhaiya, jaldi. For third, what we will do? We have to round off this 2. So 25 will round off to 30. So 30 means 30. It will become 1.23. 25 will round off to 30. 1.23 guys. 1.23. Sorry. 1.24 and 1.23 because 25. 1 2 3 4 will round off to 0, 5 6 7 because you see 35 will round off to 40, so that's a 1.24. This 25 will round off to 30, 1.23. okay. The number of significant figure in electronic charges, guys, very important thing. Whenever like the electronic charge, they have written 1.62 into 10 to power of minus 19 coulomb. Guys, this 10 to power anything, 10 to power of anything, whether it is positive value 10 to power or whether it is negative value 10 to power, we don't care in the significant figure. So this 10 to power anything, we will not consider it as a significant figure. These are not significant figure. Okay, so just we have to check it out. This, so 1 2 3 4 significant figure. That's it. You will get any values which is 10 to power, we are not going to consider it as a significant figure. Okay, now see, when 8.4 gram of NaHCO3, I will write NaHCO3 8.4 gram is added means this, added to 3.65 gram of HCl, I will write the HCl and then 3.65 gram. Then 5.85 gram NaCl and 1.8 gram water are formed. Means is like this. So what they said, NaCl 5.85 gram and 1.8 gram water, the H2O water 1.8 gram. how many grams of carbon dioxide gas escaped? So plus carbon dioxide gas we have to form, so we have to find that. I will take as x. Okay, whatever it's given guys, I have written the value. Okay, just they said NaCl and water are formed. So guys, the form in this side, it will go to the product side. And how many grams of CO2 gas escaped? So whatever the gas is escaping, it is escaping through the product side. Sorry guys, it will never escape through the reactant side. Okay, so just we will write this value, this value, this value, this value. We have to write the CO2. We have to find for this. Okay, right, this thing what we will do, first of all we'll see the balancing is there or not. Na hydrogen is 1, 2 hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen. Carbon is 1, carbon is 1. Oxygen is 3, so oxygen is 2 plus 1, 3. Cl is 1, Cl is 1. Yes, it is balanced. So whenever it is balanced, and I had explained you before also, if they will give the values of all the compound and we have to find the value of one compound, mean this is nothing but law of conservation of mass, where total mass of reactant, means add this you will get this, total mass of reactant equals to total mass of product. Okay guys, very important thing here, for total mass of reactant, total mass of product, when you will add, don't use the significant figure here. Okay, here we will not use the significant figure. Significant figure is only above, when they will write like this, add, subtract, give the answer for this in a significant figure. In a significant figure, then only we will use the significant figure. Otherwise we are not going to use the significant figure. Okay, so just add this to, you will get this much as the sum of reactant. When you will add this to, so what you will get, you will get this plus x gram. So we have to find the x. What we will do, this will go that side, so this minus this equals 4.4 gram. And I hope guys you know how to do a normal addition and normal subtraction, and as I have did here, and I shown you how to do the addition and subtraction. Yes, I guys, what I said you, it is a 7th standard work, 7 standard, right? To 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, whatever you did the addition, multiplication, subtraction, mostly the division they will not give. Okay, see, law of conservation of mass is proposed by, yes, Anthony Lavoisier. They will ask this type of question also. They will tell the name of the law, they will ask you that who proposed this, not proposed. Okay, so this is the important, the total net charge in mass during the process of law of conservation of mass. Guys, we know it is constant, or it is no net charge, that is nothing but zero net charge. Charge will be there, but net charge is 0. So there is the difference between charge and net charge. Okay, now guys, they will give this type of example and they will ask you this proves which law, or they will give you again this type of example, they will ask this proves which law, or they will give the statement for the law and they will ask you the statement is of which law, or they will give you this, they will give you the name of the law and they will ask you who proposed this. Okay, see, percentage of copper and oxygen in a samples of CuO, means we have a different samples of CuO, we have a different samples of CuO. So percentage of copper and oxygen in samples of CuO obtained by different method were found to be same. This prove which law? Guys, remember in which law we are talking about? Methods obtained by different method, means method of preparation. In which law we'll talk the methods of preparation? Yes, law of constant proportion or law of fixed proportion, where we will not focus on, yes, different methods, means different methods of preparation. Just what we will see, we will see the final product should be samples of CuO, final product should be same, and then percentage is what are found to be same, so this value will remain same, in which we will see, yes, we have seen in the constant proportion. Next, carbon and oxygen combined. Carbon and oxygen combined. Guys, which law? Where two elements combine to form two oxides, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So carbon and oxygen, two elements combine to form two or more than two compound. Remember, two elements, carbon and oxygen, combine to form two oxides, carbon monoxide CO and carbon dioxide CO2, in which ratio of weight of carbon and oxygen are 12:16 and 12:32. Bolo bhaiya, which law? Guys, we know two elements combine to form two or more compound, where what we will see, first of all, see this weight of carbon and oxygen are 12:16, 12:32, means weight of carbon, weight of one element is constant, weight of one element is constant, and other is what, in a simplest ratio. Okay, CO and CO2 both are in the simplest ratio, it's not in a non-stoichiometry. So this is a multiple proportion. Okay, now next, when gases combine or are produced in a chemical reaction, they do so in a simple whole number ratio by volume, provided all gases are at same temperature and pressure. Guys, we are talking about when gases are combined. So when gases are combined, which law will talk about gas? Yes, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. It will talk about gas and all should be in simplest whole number ratio, provided all gases are at same temperature and pressure, STP. Okay, equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. Bolo bhaiya, Avogadro law. Khatam, we know this. So guys, what we understand here, they will give the name of the law, they will ask you who proposed this, first thing. Second thing is they will give the example for this law and they will ask you disprove which law. The example we know, right? Law of conservation of mass means what will happen, balanced chemical reaction should be there, then total mass of reactant equals to total mass of product. Okay, or total number of items which is present in reactant equals to total number of items which is present in product. Okay, that is law of conservation of mass. With that example we'll get to do law of constant proportion of law of definite proportion. What we will see, the final product is same, like we see the samples of CuO. So what is the final product? CuO, and where the percentage of carbon and oxygen are remain fixed. That's it. We will not see the, right, they said a different method of preparation, so we will not see the methods of preparation. Third is multiple proportion. Multiple proportion means we will see when two elements, only two elements combine to form two or more compounds, where you will see the, see, 12:16 and 12:32, where you will see the mass of one element is fixed and they are in a simplest ratio. We will not have a non-stoichiometric ratio like in a decimal form. Okay, we know this. And whenever they talk about the gases, so in a Gay-Lussac's law. And whenever they will say that volume of all gases at same temperature should contain equal number of molecules. Avogadro law. Okay. Dalton's atomic theory could not explain, guys, we know law of gaseous volume. Chemical reaction involve reorganization of atom, explained by, guys, reorganization of atom is only explained by John Dalton. John Dalton in his theory is Dalton's atomic theory. What is the formula mass of Na2CO3 into 10H2O? Already they had given the atomic mass for all. So Na2, Na is 23. So 2 into 23 plus, because we know after every element we have to do plus. Plus carbon is 12 and we have 1 carbon. Plus oxygen is 16, we have a 3 oxygen. Plus 10. Guys, 10H2O. H2O is how much? 10. So I will write 10. And directly I will write the H2O. So what is H2O? We know 18. That's it. So 2 into 23, 46 plus 12 plus 316, the 48 plus 180. You will get 286 AMU, because this is a formula mass, 286 AMU or 286 U. If they will say that what is gram formula mass, then 286 gram. This is important. Molecular mass of compound B. B means beryllium. Be 3 AlX Si6O18. This is a compound. So already they had given the molecular mass of this compound is 537 AMU. You have to find X. Very easy, guys, very easy. Just do it. What you know, just do the simple process. B, beryllium is 9 and 3 beryllium is there. So 3 into 9 plus aluminium is what, 27, and we have X aluminium. So X into 27, right? Then silicon plus silicon is 28. How many silicon? 6. So 6 into 28 plus oxygen is how much? 18. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So 18 into 16, which is total molecular mass is 537. So see, 9 3 the 27. Okay, when you will solve this, see 9 3 the 27 plus 27x plus then you will do 28 into 6, 28 into 6, 6 8 the 48, 8 carry 4, 6 to the 12 plus 4 16, then plus 18 into 16, 18 into 16, 8 6 the 48, 8 carry 8 6 the 48, 8 carry 4, 6 1 the 6, 8 1 the 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18, 8 carry 1, 1 1 the 1 plus 1 2, 288. Okay, 288, which is equals to 537. Guys, what we will do, we'll add this 27 plus 168 plus 288. We are going to get this 483. So what we will write, we will write 483 plus 27x equals 537. You have to find the 27x, so I will send the 483 to that side. So it will become 27x is equals to 537 minus 483, you will get 54. So x is equals to what? X equals what? See, 27x equals 54. So bolo bhaiya, x equals what? 54 by 27. The x is 2. So this value should be Al2. B3 Al2 Si6O18. So Al is 2. This is important, guys. And I know this type of normal chuttu muttu sa calculation you know, but you have to do. Okay. Now see, whenever they will say to find the mass. Right, whenever they will say to find the mass, we will use only one formula. First we will write down the number of mole formula. What is the number of mole formula? Guys, number of mole formula is given mass by molar mass, correct? So guys, whenever they will say to find the mass, we will write down the mole formula. Either given mass by molar mass, if mass is given. If volume is given, then given volume by STP. If a particles is given, means that given particles divided by Avogadro number. So what we will do, first of all we will write the formula of mole. From mole formula is what? Mass by molar mass. So this mass we have to find. So what will happen, finding this mass means I will send the molar mass to that side, then this mass equals number of mole into molar mass. So mass equals what? Number of moles into molar mass. Whenever they will say to find the mass, we will do the same formula. We'll write number of moles equals mass by molar mass. So we have to find the mass. The molar mass will go that side. So what will happen? Mass equals number of mole into molar mass. Okay. So guys, see what we have to find. They said find the mass of 112 centimeter cube of NH3. NH3 means we will find the molar mass of NH3. Molar mass of NH3 is 17. Gas at STP. So guys, here they had given the volume. They had given what? Volume, and they mentioned STP. So guys, we have to see this unit. What is the unit? Centimeter cube. So if you write the centimeter cube, it will become 22400 centimeter cube, right? 22.4. If you write in centimeter cube, it will become 22,400 centimeter cube. Okay, so mass is what? Number of moles into molar mass. So here we will use the formula of number of moles of volume formula. The reason behind volume is given centimeter cube. Meter cube is what? Volume. Volume is given. So we use the volume formula. So given volume divided by this STP. STP means this is, guys, centimeter cube. So I will take the STP value as centimeter cube only. So 22,400 cells, because the reason behind is centimeter cube will get cancelled. Now once you will divide this, okay, you know how to do the division, guys. You will get this 0.005 mole. If you don't know the division, please learn the division like this. 2240 112. First we'll divide with 2. We know it will go by 2. So 56. It will become 56. And this will become 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 0 0. Again it will go by 2. So 28. 2 means 5. 5 to the 10, 1 12. 12 6 and then 0 0. Okay. Then it will go by 2. 14 to the 28 and then it will go by 56 means see 2 to the 4 1 carry 16 2 8 the 16 0 0 again it will go by 2 so 7 to the 14 and it will become 2 on the 2 4 0 0. Okay. Now 7 divided by 1400 you can see it will go by 7 1 the 7 7 to the 14 200 1 by 200 so it will become 0 point means it will become 10 so 10 by 200 no we will take 0 so it will become 100 so 100 by 200 no again we will take 0 so it will become 1000 so 205 times 1000 so 0.005 like this you have to do. Okay, so 0.005 mole we get to know. So mass is what? Number of mole into molar mass. The number of mole we get to know 0.005 into molar mass of what? We have a compound of NH3. So will molar mass of NH3 is 17. Once you will multiply you will get this much. Okay, so guys, whenever you have to find the mass you will use the same formula. Okay, this formula, number of mole is equal to mass by given mass. So for molar mass by molar mass. So for finding the mass, what will happen? Number of mole into molar mass. Okay. Now number of moles depends like what is given. Here 112 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube means volume is given. Volume is given means bhaiya we will use given volume by molar volume. Molar volume at STP. So volume value depends upon this. Okay. Now another important. देखो. They said equivalent mass of a certain bivalent metal is 20. So what is given, guys? They said equivalent mass of a certain bivalent element is 20. Means equivalent mass is 20. Now bivalent metal. Bivalent metal means I will take the metal as M. Bivalent indicates the valency. Bivalent, trivalent, tetravalent. Valent means it indicates the valency. So bi means 2. So metal is having the 2 valency. And metal, guys, means metal what it will do? Yes, metal will lose the electron. Metal have a tendency to lose the electron. So it will be plus. So see what is the bivalent element? Bivalent element means it is M2 plus. So equivalent mass is 20. Understand till here? Yes. We have to find the molecular mass. Okay, we have to find the molecular mass of its means this metal of its anhydrous chloride. Of its anhydrous chloride. Chloride means Cl. Okay, see, first of all, molecular mass means we have to form the compound. Which compound? We have a bivalent metal and its anhydrous chloride. So bivalent metal means I will write this. This is a bimetal. Bivalent means 2 valency, and metal every time it will be positive because metal has the tendency to lose electron. So this is a bivalent metal and its anhydrous chloride. Chloride means Cl minus. Right? We have to form the compound because molecular mass, yes, molecular mass we will find for compound. So first of all we have to form the compound. So guys, we know from this how we will find the compound. This 2 will go to here and here means what? Minus nothing but 1. 1 will come to here. So it will become MCl2. So compound is what? MCl2. See, we know how to form the compound MCl2. Now we have to find the molar mass. तो भैया देखो, अरे ओ प्यारे देखो ना, MCl2 molar mass means भैया MCl2. तो guys see, chlorine we know, chlorine molar mass is what? 35.5. So Cl2 means 2 into 35.5. That is done, easy peasy. But M means metal. M means metal. So what we have to do? We have to find the atomic mass of this metal. We have to find the atomic mass of metal. Guys, understand the formula for finding the here. Atomic mass of metal is equivalent mass. This what we got, equivalent mass into valency. So equivalent mass is 2 into valency is what? Bivalent, not valency is 2. So 20 to the 40. So M atomic mass is 40. This is very important. First what we will do, guys, whatever the metal is written, we will write, and then we have to write when we have to see that whether it is anhydrous, chloride, bromide, whatever it is given. According to that, we have to make a compound. After making a compound, guys, this we will know because element will be there, so we will know the atomic mass. From there we will find the atomic mass for 1. But for finding the atomic mass of metal, we have to use the formula that is nothing but equivalent mass into valency. That's it. Khatam. Now next, see a bivalent metal. Again they said bivalent metal. So bivalent metal means M2 plus. Metal I will take M. Bivalent indicates the valency. So bi means 2. So valency is 2 and metal has a tendency to lose electron. So losing electron means plus, M2 plus. Has an equivalent mass of 32. Okay, equivalent mass of 32. We have to find the molecular mass of metal nitrate. Okay, so guys, what we have to do? First of all, we have to form the compound. So compound means this is a bivalent metal and nitrate is there. Nitrate, guys, we know NO3. NO3 is a nitrate. Okay, so we have to form the compound means what? This 2 will go here and this 1 will come here. So metal NO3 whole, this 2 will come here. NO3 2. You know how to form the compound, right? So metal nitrate. So guys, see, nitrate we can able to form. We can able to find the nitrate. Nitrate means, see how many oxygen are there? NO3 2 means we have a 2 nitrogen. So one nitrogen is what? 14 gram. So 14 into 2, 28. Oxygen is how much oxygen? 3 to the 6. Arey oh pyare, don't do 3 plus 2, 5 oxygen. More the moe will happen. 3 to the 6. So oxygen is what? 16. 16 into 6, 96. Now we have to find the atomic mass of metal. Yes, we know how to find the atomic mass of metal. We have a formula. Equivalent mass into valency. Equivalent mass is 32 into valency is 2. So we will get the atomic mass of metal 64. We will use this. Then we will add. We will get the molecular mass of compound. The main thing is what? First we have to form the compound. We know how to form the compound. Then molecular mass. So only the metal molecular mass we have to use the formula. That is nothing but equivalent mass into valency. Okay. Now see, if equivalent mass is 31.75, equivalent mass is given 31.75, which would combine with 8 gram of oxygen. Find the mass of metal. Guys, here we have to just find the mass of metal. But what the formula we studied for finding the mass of metal? Yes, mass of metal is nothing but equivalent mass into valency. Here guys, we don't know which valent metal is there. Bivalent, trivalent, we don't know because we have equivalent mass. If they mention that bivalent metal, trivalent metal, from there we know the valency. So directly we multiply equivalent mass into valency, we will get the mass of metal. But here we don't have a valency, so we will use the formula. Which formula we will use? We will use this formula. Equivalent mass formula. Equivalent mass equals, see, understand the formula of equivalent mass. Equivalent mass equals mass of metal divided by, it's not the mass of oxygen, mass of whatever it's given here, right? It combined with 8 gram of oxygen. So mass of oxygen into atomic number of oxygen, which is nothing but 8. So guys, see, mass of here and atomic number of here, it indicates that what is present here. Okay, so equivalent mass is what? Equivalent mass is 31.75. So we'll get equivalent mass equals mass of metal divided by atomic mass of what is present here? Oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is what is the atomic mass of oxygen? Not the atomic mass, mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is what? Already is given 8 gram. Mass of oxygen already is given 8 gram into here atomic mass of oxygen, means atomic mass of what is present here. See here guys, mass of this and atomic mass of this, mass of this and atomic number of this, it depends upon which element is present here, right? Which would combine with 8 gram of oxygen. If it's given sodium, potassium, so we'll take the mass of sodium or potassium, what is given here, that mass, and then atomic number of sodium or atomic number of potassium, whatever it's given here. Okay, so atomic number of oxygen is given. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. and the mass of which oxygen is given, the given mass is 8. 8 will get cancelled, so mass of metal is 31.75. 31.75. Okay. Next, if 3.01 into 10 to power of 20 molecules are removed from 98 gram of H2SO4, guys, understand what is given. 3.01 into 10 to power of 20 molecules are removed from 98 gram of H2SO4, means we have a total of 98 gram of H2SO4. We have total of 98 gram of H2SO4. From total of 98 gram of H2SO4, 3.01 into 10 to power of molecules are removed. Correct? They have mentioned here 3.01 into 10 to power of 20 molecules are removed from 98 gram of H2SO4. Okay, we have a total of 98 gram of H2SO4. From that we remove 3.01 into 10 to power of 20 molecules. Find the number of molecules of H2SO4 left. Find the number of moles. Sorry, find the number of moles of H2SO4 left. So we have to find the what is the number of moles of H2SO4 left. Guys, what is the formula? See, for finding the number of moles of H2SO4 left, we will see what is the total number of moles of H2SO4 present minus how much moles of H2SO4 we removed. Correct? We'll get the number of moles. So first of all, we'll find the total number of moles what is present. So guys, we know we remove this much molecule from 98 gram of H2SO4. The total H2SO4 present is 98 mg. 98 mg. Okay, so that is nothing but number of moles of H2SO4 in 98 mg. So given mass, guys, will convert into gram. Mg will convert into gram because molar mass is in gram. Molar mass, we know molar mass will be in gram. So 98 mg means 98 into 10 to the power of minus 3 gram divided by 98. 98 and 98 will get cancelled. It will be 1. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So number of moles total present in 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. In that, how much molecule is removed? This much. So we'll find the number of moles of this much molecules. Guys, molecules is present. So which formula we will use? Yes. Given molecules divided by Avogadro number. So we will get 1 by 2c. If you will remove this point, so 3.01. See, 3.01 into 2. So 2 1 the 2, 2 0 0, 3 2 the 6. Means this 1 2. So 1 by 2 and this 23 will go above. So minus 23. 20 minus 23 is minus 3. 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Understand? Is what they said. Simply they said that 3.01 into 10 to the power of 20 molecules we are removing from 98 mg of H2SO4. So total we have 98 mg of H2SO4. From that I remove 3.01 into 10 to the power of 20 molecules of H2SO4. So how much moles of H2SO4 is remaining? The number of moles of H2SO4 means total mole of H2SO4 present. How much total mole? 98 mg of H2SO4. So we will find the number of moles of this much total. So it is given in gram. So given mass by molar mass, we will get this is the total. So moles of H2SO4 left, total mole minus how much it removed. So removed is a molecule. Removed is a molecule. So for finding the number of moles of molecule is given molecule divided by Avogadro number. So we will get this much. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So guys, 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. And 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 3, it will remain constant. Oh, bhaiya, don't do in the examination 10 to the power of minus 3, minus 10 to the power of minus 3. Oh, this is 10 to the power of minus 3 and minus 10 to the power of minus 3 means it will get cancelled. Na. So just answer is 1 minus 0.5, answer is 0.5. See what we will do this. Guys, this type of calculation never do like that. 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 10 to the power of minus 3 minus this will, because see 10 to the power of minus 3 minus with this 10 to the power of minus, you will say cancel. So see what we will do in this type of calculation. 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 3 is common. So we'll take the 10 to the power of minus 3 outside. Now what is the remaining? 1 minus 0.5. Now you will do like this. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 and then into 10 to power of minus 3. Okay, yes sir. Next, select, okay, this is a 25 question guys, this they asked in 2025. Okay, bolo bhaiya chalo, read the question and try this. Okay guys, see, select the incorrect statement or statements. Select the incorrect statement or statements. 22 books have infinite significant figure. Yes guys, 22 books means I am giving you exact number. The exact number means have infinite significant figure, because 22 books we can write 22.00000 like that. So it have infinite significant figure. Correct. This is correct. We have to find incorrect. In the answer of calculation, this 2.5 into 1.25. So in the answer of calculation, this means what? This is a multiplication. Has 4 significant figure. Guys, multiplication means what we will do? Lowest significant figure, right? The final result will be converted into lowest significant figure. The lowest significant figure is what? This is 3, this is 2. The final result will be converting into lowest significant figure means 2 significant figure. So it will be not 4 significant figure. So B is incorrect. Now 0 preceding means before. 0 before 2 first non-zero digit are significant. No guys, we know if we are taking a decimal number or if we are taking a non-decimal number, the 0 before to the non-zero digit are not significant, so it should be not significant. This is wrong. In the answer of calculation, this and this, okay, this is addition, has 3 significant figure. Guys, very simple thing, we have to 3 significant figure means we have to add and just check it out what we are getting. So see, 12.11, we will add 18.0, then we will add 1.012. let's add here, nothing, the 0 0 0 0 2 1, wait, this 2 1, then again how it came. Wait guys, I have written jaldi. Wait रुको जरा सब्र करो. So addition means guys, we have to do addition. 12.11, 18.0, nothing but 0, then 1.0, 1 2. So here this is with this, fine. Now we will do this 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 1, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry 1, 1 2 1 3. So we are getting 31.122. So in addition and subtraction, what we have to do? We have to see the fewest decimal. Lowest decimal means this is 2 digit, this is 1 digit, this is 3 digit. So 1 digit is the lowest. So we have to round off to 1 digit decimal. So before the decimal place it will remain same, 31 point. We have to round off to 1 digit. 1 digit means we'll see this 12. 12 will round off to 10. So 31.1. 31.1 have how many significant figure? 3 significant figure. So this is correct. B and C is incorrect. Yes, B and C. Fine. Number of oxygen atom in 4.4 gram of CO2. Guys, if you remember, I had given the formula to find the number of molecules and number of atoms. So for finding the number of molecules, what you will do? Number of moles into Avogadro number. For finding the number of atoms, same number of moles into Avogadro number into atomicity. Atomicity of what? Which atom we have to find. Okay. See, for finding the number of oxygen atom means we have to find the number of atom. The number of atom finding formula is what? Number of moles into Avogadro number into atomicity. Atomicity, which we will take the atomicity. Will not take the atomicity of whole this compound. Atomicity means which atom? We will take of oxygen atom. The atomicity means how many oxygen atom are there? 2. So atomicity will become 2. Okay. Fine. Yes sir. So number of oxygen atom is what? Number of moles. Number of moles, it depends upon what is given. So guys, here gram is given, means mass is given. So given mass 4.4 divided by molar mass. Molar mass of CO2 is 44 into Avogadro number. See this 10 how it came. When we remove this point now, this 10 came. Okay. So number of moles into Avogadro number into atomicity. Atomicity of what? We have to find for oxygen atom. So here how many oxygen atom are present? 2. So atomicity is 2. So atomicity means we have to find the for which atom we are finding. Okay. So when you will do this 40, 44, 44 will get cancelled. See this 6.023 into 2 means you will get around 1.2 something, and this 10 will go this up to 23 minus 10 to power of 1, it will become 22. When you will do this and then change, now you will get like this 1.2 into 10 to power of 23 oxygen atom. The reason behind is चलो एक करके दिखा देते हैं. 6.023 into 2 means 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 0 to the 0 and 6 to the 12. So after 3 digit we have a decimal. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit we have a decimal. Now guys, what will happen? If it will go up, so this is 10 to power of 1, so it will go up means minus. So 10 to power of 23 minus 1 into 10 to power of 22. But options are like 10 to power of 23. So guys, what will happen? This I have to increase this. Increasing means the point will go to left side. It will go means 1.2. See 1.2 into 10 to power of, it will increase 23 oxygen atom. This type of normal calculation guys you should have to know. Okay, now next, what amount of dioxygen is nothing but O2, what amount of O2 contains this much molecule? Very simple guys, very simple question. They ask what amount of dioxygen contains this much molecules. So guys, dioxygen molecular mass is what? O2 is 32. So guys, 32 gram of O2 it's present in which much? This Avogadro number. Correct, whatever the molecular mass is there, same Avogadro number. So guys, we have to find that what amount of dioxygen, how much amount of dioxygen contains this much molecules. So molecules start from where? Avogadro number. Correct, because see, molecules divided by Avogadro number. So mass divided by molar mass. So whatever the molar mass, it is same as the Avogadro number, and that all is same as the volume at STP. Correct. So guys, what is the Avogadro number? 6.22 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules present in 32 gram of O2, right? So that's why we have to find for molecules what amount of dioxygen is contained this much molecules. So guys, Avogadro number contains the molar mass. Correct, because given mass by molar mass, given molecule by Avogadro number, given mass by volume at STP. So all are same. Mass contains same Avogadro number, contains same volume. So guys, see, Avogadro number of that much molecules contains molar mass means O2 molar mass means 32 gram of O2. So we have to find what amount of dioxygen contain this much molecules. So Avogadro means this much molecules contain 32 gram of O2. So this much means how much? 32 divided by this into this. So when you will do this calculation, you will get 0.96 gram of O2. Calculation guys, I know you can do. You have to learn it. Okay. The number of water molecules, okay, number of water molecule present in a drop of water weighing 0.018 gram is, means what we have to find? Arey jaldi bolo bhaiya. We have to find number of water molecules present in drop of water weighing 0.0018 gram is, means you have to find the number of water molecules. Guys, we know what is the formula for number of molecules. Number of moles into Avogadro number. The number of moles formula we will use, gram is given. The number of mole means given mass. Given mass is 0.018 divided by molar mass. Molar mass of what? We have to take of water because they said present in drop of water. The molar mass of water is 18. When you will do this thing, calculation to Avogadro number is this, you will get this much molecules. Okay, 36 number guys, I am giving you as a homework. Just try. The answer is D. They said which one of the following has maximum number of atoms of oxygen. Guys, you have to find the maximum number of atoms, which is having maximum number of atoms. So we use the formula number of atoms means number of moles into Avogadro number into atomicity. The atomicity will take for oxygen atom. So here oxygen atom is 1. The atomicity here in this case it will become 1. Here oxygen atom is 2. Atomicity in this case is 2. Here oxygen atom is 1. So here it will be 1. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. So guys, what we have to do? First we have to find the number of oxygen atom here by using this formula. Same again number of oxygen atom here by using this formula. Again same number of oxygen atom here by using this formula. Then same number of oxygen atom you will use find here by using this formula. So in which you have to see that which is having maximum number of atoms. So that will be the answer. So D is the correct answer. Okay. Next, a pure compound contains 2.4 gram of carbon, 1.2 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen, 0.2 moles of oxygen atom. Find empirical formula. Guys, very easy thing, guys. First of all, we write the elements. What are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen elements are there. Fine. Now, guys, if you will come to the direct, why we will do one by one step, like what is the mass, then mass divided by atomic mass, we will get the moles, right? Then moles, in mole which is the lowest, that will divide with all mole, then we'll get the simplest ratio. Why we have to do long method? We know after elements directly we will find the mole. The reason behind is after element the second column is what? We know the second column is what? Jaldi bolo bhaiya. Whatever it's given the percentage, we have to write the percentage in gram, right? Or whatever the gram is given, we'll write the gram. That is nothing but mass. Next column, what we will write? Every element atomic mass. Next column, what we will find? We will find the mole, given mass by atomic mass. We will find the mole of all the elements. Next column is what? Ratio. Ratio means in mole, whichever the smallest mole, that smallest mole will divide with all the mole. We'll get the simplest ratio, right? So guys, second and third, why we will do? We'll do directly. Fourth one means we will find directly number of moles, right? Because this is a competitive exam, you have to reduce the number of steps. So elements, after that directly find the number of moles. The number of moles means given mass by molar mass. Molar mass of carbon is 12. You will get 0.2 mole. Okay. Now here guys, atoms are given. Atoms mean this. So this which we will use. Jaldi bolo bhai. Yes, Avogadro number. So this divided by Avogadro number. We will get 0.2 mole. And next is for oxygen atom, already they had given 0.2 moles of oxygen atom. So directly we will take 0.2 mole. So guys, we will see the mole. All mole are 0.2. So all will divide with 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. You will get 1, 1, 1. Empirical formula is C is 1, H is 1, O is 1, CHO. Next, a gas mixture contains 25% helium and 75% CH4 is methane. So we have a gas mixture which contains 25% helium and 75% methane by volume. They are talking about volume. Okay, volume. Fine. At a given temperature and pressure means STP. Find the mass percentage of methane. Mass percentage, guys, we know the formula of mass percentage is what? Mass percentage of methane means mass of methane divided by which is present. Bolo bhaiya, helium and methane is present. So mass of methane plus mass of helium into 100, right? Because see, mass percentage of CH4 means what? Mass of CH4 divided by mass of mixture. Correct? Mass of mixture. So mixture is what? Helium and methane. So mass of methane plus mass of helium into 100. So we have to find mass. Guys, as just starting I told you how to find the mass. We will use this formula. Number of moles is mass by molar mass. So from here we will find the mass. Mass is what? Number of moles into molar mass. Correct? So we will find the mass for CH4. Mass of CH4 means what? Number of moles. Number of moles means we will find 75%. Percent means what? That is a gram will convert. But this is a volume. 25% helium and 75% methane by volume. So 75 it will become ml. 75 ml divided by STP. Right? Volume. Volume also I will take in ml. So ml is 22,400 ml. Same 22,400 centimeter cube. Okay. Into molar mass. Molar mass of CH4 is 16. When you will do the calculation, you will get this much. Now next we have to find the mass of helium. Mass of helium is number of moles. So it is in the volume. The given volume is 25 ml divided by 22,400 ml. So ml will get cancelled. Into helium atomic mass is 4. When you will solve, you will get this much. Done. Then we will find the mass percentage of CH4. The mass of CH4 this much divided by mass of CH4 plus mass of helium into 100%. When you will calculate, you will get approx 92%. Easy, yes. An organic compound contains carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. So we'll write the elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Percentage is 40%, will become 40 gram. This will become 13.33 gram. This is 46.67 gram. So directly we will go for finding the number of moles. Number of moles means given mass 40 divided by atomic mass 12. That's done. You will divide, you will get 3.33. Hydrogen given mass 13.33 by 1, you will get 13.33. Nitrogen is what? 46.67 divided by atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. When you will divide this, you will get 3.33. After getting the number of moles, you have to do the simplest ratio. Simplest ratio means whichever the lowest, we have to divide with all. So 3.33 is the lowest, you will divide, it will become 1. So 3.33 into 4, you will get this much. And then 3.33, same, you will get 1. So carbon 1, hydrogen 4, nitrogen 1, CH4N, the empirical formula. Guys, see, sometime when you will divide this, you will get like 3.88, 3.70, 3.90. So you have to round off to 4. Round off. Okay. If you are getting 3.24, 3.36, round off to 3. Right? And you know how to do round off. Don't write in decimal form. Round off there only. Okay, 0.30 gram of an organic compound. We have an organic compound which consists of 0.30 gram of an organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. On combustion gives 0.44 gram carbon dioxide and 0.18 gram water. If 1 mole of compound weighs 60, find the molecular formula. Guys, we have to find the molecular formula. We know the formula of molecular formula is what? Molecular formula is N into empirical formula. Correct? Yes, sir. So, empirical formula, first of all, we have to find the empirical formula. And N, we know the formula of N is what? Molecular mass by empirical formula mass. And this molecular mass is nothing but which is given in the question. So molecular mass means this compound is 60. Correct? So main thing is what? Main thing is we have to find the empirical formula. So for finding the empirical formula, what we will do? First of all, we'll write the elements. Elements are which contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now we'll find the number of moles. So before number of moles, we have to find its how much carbon is there, how much hydrogen is there, how much oxygen is there. So guys, what we will do for finding the carbon, we will use the percentage of carbon. What is the percentage? Because we know the same percentage will convert into gram. The same percentage will convert into gram. The same percentage will convert into gram. So first of all, we will find the percentage of carbon. The percentage of carbon means what? Where the carbon present? Carbon is present in this CO2. The percentage of carbon means given carbon, mass of carbon. Mass of carbon is what? In this. First we will see this in the CO2. Because carbon is present in CO2. The mass of carbon in CO2 is what? C is 1. The mass of carbon is 12 divided by total mass of CO2 is how much? 44 into, see, we have a 0.44 gram CO2. So 0.44 divided by, in which we have a 0.44. We have a 0.30 gram of organic compound containing this much. On combustion it gives this much and this much. So what we will do for finding the percentage of carbon, this is very important guys. For finding the percentage of carbon, what we will do, we will see the carbon is present in carbon dioxide. So here what is the mass of carbon divided by total mass of this compound in which carbon is present into what is this? What is the 0.44 gram? From where we are getting? We are getting from 0.30. So 0.44 divided by 0.30 into 100, because we have to find the percentage. We will get the 40%. The 40% will convert 40 gram. So for carbon it will become given mass by molar mass, means atomic mass of carbon is 12. So we will get 3.33. Now percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen means hydrogen is present in this H2O. The percentage of hydrogen means what is the total mass of hydrogen here? 2 hydrogen, so mass is 2, divided by what is the total mass of this compound H2O, total mass is 18, into how much H2O is there, 0.18, we are getting from 0.30, so 0.18 divided by 0.30 into 100. When you will solve this, you will get 6.6%, nothing but 6.6 gram. So mass of hydrogen is 6.6 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so we'll get 6.6 here. And now see percentage of oxygen, so oxygen is present here also, oxygen is present here also. So what we will do, simple thing guys, percentage of oxygen means what is the total percentage, 100 minus percentage of carbon minus percentage of hydrogen, we'll get this much percentage of oxygen. So same we'll get this much gram. In your NCERT guys, you studied that, right? They are given this much of carbon, this much of hydrogen, remaining is oxygen. So you know how to find 100 minus this 2, correct? That same thing we did here. So oxygen will get 53.4 divided by atomic mass of oxygen is 16, you will get 3.3. For finding the ratio, lowest is 3.3, divided 1 to 1. The empirical formula is CH2O. After getting the empirical formula, we have to find N, that is the molecular mass, divided by empirical formula mass. Molecular mass already given in the question, that is 60, divided by empirical formula mass is nothing but, when you will find this empirical formula mass, you will get 30. So N is 2. So molecular formula is N into empirical formula. 2 into empirical formula is this. So it will become C2H4O2. Okay. Now next, this is very easy. Empirical formula of a compound is this. Okay guys, empirical formula already given and its molecular mass is also given. Find the molecular formula. Molecular formula is N into empirical formula. So for empirical formula is given CH2O. For finding N, molecular mass by empirical formula mass. So bhaiya, molecular mass is what are you pyare bolo na, molecular mass is 90 divided by empirical formula mass, bolo bhaiya nikal loge na, you can able to find the empirical formula mass na. So this you will get 30 na, 30 by it will get 3 na. So we will do this, you will get this, right? Yes or no? Yes sir, easy peasy sir. Now next 0.48 gram of organic compound on complete combustion produce 0.22 gram of CO2. Find percentage of carbon. Arey oh pyare, we have to find the percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon, if you know, just we did, right? This type of question just we did here. This is what we did, correct? So see, percentage of carbon means what we will do. Percentage of carbon means we will see where carbon is present. Carbon is present in this compound. So what is the mass of carbon in this compound? We have just one carbon. One carbon means 12. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 divided by mass of this whole compound 44 into what is the mass of this CO2, 0.22. We get from this 0.48. 0.22 divided by 0.48 into 100. When you will solve, you will get this. You know, the same thing we did. Yes. Okay, let's see. Bhaiya dekho guys, 43 number and then 44 number, very important. Oh bhaiya chalo guys, whoever the person in your brain, mind and all, remove that person aside and focus here. Bhaiya chalo bhaiya, guys focus just for 5 minutes because this is very important. 43 number and 44 number. Chalo bhaiya, focus karo. Dekho guys, if this type of question will come, means we are taking something and we are reacting with something and we are getting something. Okay, understand guys? See, 0.4 gram of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen means H2 is made to react with 7.1 gram of dichlorine. Dichlorine means Cl2 to form HCl. When you will do balancing, you will get HCl, but balancing means 2HCl. Okay, done. Now see here, same here, you see, just see here. Okay, the mass of AgC. Okay, wait guys, what is given here? They said 0.4 gram of dihydrogen means H2 made to react with 7.1 gram of dichloride means Cl2 to form HCl. Okay, find the volume of the HCl. Volume of HCl, what we have to find? We have to find volume of HCl at 273 Kelvin and 1 that, and this is nothing but STP, standard pressure. Okay, So guys, see, first thing is what they had given 0.4 dihydrogen H2 react with 7.1 dichlorine H2 plus Cl2 to form HCl. This react with this, we get something. Find the volume. First thing is what? Find the volume. Second, you see here, you have to find the mass of AgCl. There find the volume, here find the mass. But see the process. When solution containing 11.7 gram NaCl, okay, NaCl is added to solution of 3.4 gram of AgNO3. NaCl added with AgNO3. So what we will form? We know the calculation. Sorry, we know the how to write the reaction. It will become AgCl plus NaNO3. AgCl plus NaNO3. Correct? Yes, sir. Guys, see the same type of question. Above also they given dihydrogen H2 react with dichlorine to form HCl. Find the volume of HCl. Here also 11.70 gram of NaCl react with AgNO3. So the total reaction will become like this: AgCl plus NaNO3. Find the mass of AgCl. Mass of AgCl. Understand? So same guys, same method we are going to use. See, first of all, what we will write? We will write the balanced reaction. Now next what we have to see, that balanced reaction. Okay, here also we have written the balanced reaction. Done. Now guys, next we have to see that you have to find the volume, guys, and here we have to find the mass. Guys, whenever we have to find the mass, I have told you which formula we will use. This number of mole is given mass by molar mass. So for finding the mass, it will be number of moles into molar mass of what? AgCl. So same here, for finding the volume also, which formula we will use? Same number of mole. Number of mole means volume of HCl by standard pressure means 22.7 liter. Okay, so for finding the volume of HCl, what will happen? Number of moles into 22.7 HCl. Okay, guys, here why we multiplied by 2? Because we have to see that how many HCl is present. 2 HCl. So into stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, here guys, here we will see that how many we have to find for AgCl. How many AgCl is present? 1 AgCl. So just we have to multiply with molar mass of AgCl. That's it. Okay, so guys, once again, chalo dekho. Which 43 and 44 number is what? We have taken something, react with something to form something. Find the volume of which is present in the product. Same here, what? Here is we have something, reacted with something, and we got this much. Find the mass of AgCl which is present in product. So either find the volume, find the mass. For finding the mass or finding the volume, we are going to use one formula is number of moles. For finding the mass, number of mole is mass by molar mass. So mass means what? Number of mole into molar mass of AgCl. So for writing the molar mass of AgCl and all, we'll see that how much it is. Okay, 1 means 1 into molar mass of AgCl, 2 means 2 into molar mass of AgCl, 3 means 3 into molar mass of AgCl. Okay, and then for finding the volume, we will do the same. Number of moles means volume divided by standard temperature pressure, molar volume. So what will happen for finding the volume? Number of moles into molar volume. So molar volume is what? 22.7 liter. And same we will see that molar volume of what? Molar volume of HCl, because whatever we have to find, we have to take that same. So how many HCl is there? 2 HCl. So 2 into molar volume. So 22.7 into 2. Okay. Next is, see, volume we get to 22.7 into 2. That's very easy. Here also guys, molar mass of AgCl we will know. Molar mass of AgCl we know. AgCl is what? AgCl they had already given here. Ag is 108, Cl is 35.5. When you will add, you will get the molar mass of AgCl is 143.5. That is done. Easy. But main thing is here we have to find the number of moles. What we have to find? We have to find the number of moles in both the condition. So guys, number of moles we have to find for the limiting reagent. Number of moles we have to find for the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent, number of moles. Very simple guys. We will see which is reacting. H2 is reacting with Cl2, we will get 2HCl. Okay, limiting reagent every time we will find from reactant side, not the product side. Okay, so limiting reagent means H2, we will see this much of H2 is reacting with this much of, sorry guys, 0.4 gram of H2 react with 7.51 gram of Cl, right? 0.4 gram of H2 react with 7.1 gram of dichlorine. Okay, and then we will write down its H2 means 2, Cl2 means 71 atomic mass. Okay, now we have to find the number of moles of limiting reagent, means find the number of mole of this H2. The number of mole of H2 is given mass by molar mass, we will get this much. Then number of moles of Cl2 given mass by molar mass, you will get this. So which is limiting reagent? Limiting reagent means whose concentration is less. So whose concentration is less. So here number of mole of Cl2 is 0.1, but here number of moles of H2 is 0.2, means 0.1 is less. So Cl2 is limiting reagent. So we will use the number of moles of limiting reagent. The volume of HCl is number of moles of limiting reagent is this, molar mass by given mass by atomic mass into this 2 into molar volume. We'll get this. Okay, so guys, why we will do this step is to find that which is limiting reagent. So limiting reagent every time we will find for reactant. So what we will do, first we will find the number of moles of one reactant, then we will find the number of moles of other reactant, and then we will see that which reactant is having less mole, that will become the limiting reagent. Okay, and we know how to find the number of moles. Given mass will be in the question and the atomic mass we know how to find. So same here, देखो भैया, same NaCl is 58.5 atomic mass, AgNO3 atomic mass is 170. So we have to find the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent we will find for reactant. So we will find the number of moles of NaCl given mass by molar mass, you will get this much mole. AgNO3 given mass by molar mass, you will get this much. Which is less? Yes, AgNO3 is 0.02. This is less, means limiting reagent. The mass of AgCl means number of moles of which limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is AgNO3. The limiting reagent into molar mass of AgCl, that is 143.5. and how many AgCl is there? We have 1 AgCl, so just 1 into 143.5. Here guys, we have taken the molar volume is 22.7, but how many HCl is there? Because we have to take the molar volume of HCl to 2 HCl, so that's why we multiplied with 2. Understand this method? So just stop it, pause it, and understand each and every process, and then move on. Okay. Yes, move on from everywhere. Okay, so guys, understand again, once again I will tell you in a short brief. चलो देखो यार, focus करो जल्दी जल्दी guys. अरे ओ प्यारे देखो रे भैया, when they will give something, react with something to form something, either find the volume, either find the mass. So for finding the volume or finding the mass, we will use the same formula, that is number of mole. For volume, what will happen? Number of mole is given volume by molar volume. For mass, number of mole is given mass by molar mass. The volume, how you will get? Number of mole into molar volume. Okay, molar volume of what? Whatever we have to find. HCl means molar volume of HCl, correct? So HCl, so after molar volume we'll multiply by how many stoichiometric coefficient, means 2 HCl to multiply by 2, 4 HCl multiply with 4, correct? Now same for finding the mass, number of mole into molar mass. Again molar mass, we have to see that how molar mass of what. If you have to find for AgCl, the molar mass of AgCl, correct? So we have to see how many AgCl. 2 means 2 into molar mass of AgCl. 3 means 3 into molar mass of AgCl, correct? In the previous question we have seen that only 1 AgCl, so 1 into molar mass of AgCl, correct? Now next step is we have to find the number of moles for both volume side also, mass side also. For finding the number of moles, we will see that which is the limiting reagent, we have to take the number of moles of that reagent. So limiting reagent means reagent we'll see from the reactant side. Okay, so reactant side, in the reaction for both volume and mass, we'll see in the reaction side guys, what will happen? For the reactant, already they will give the given mass in the what? Question. Yes, given mass in the question. So given mass divided by molar mass, given mass divided by molar mass, and then we will see that whose number of mole is less. Whoever number of mole is less, that will become the limiting reagent. So we will use the number of moles of that limiting reagent, and then we'll multiply, we'll get the answer, right? This is very important. Chalo. Now guys, they said 1 gram of Mg is burnt with 0.2 gram of O2 in a closed vessel. Again, which reactant is left in excess and how much? Very important guys. So again we will write guys, 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO, balanced reaction. So guys, if they will ask which reactant is left in excess or which reactant is limiting reagent, what we will do? Yes, for finding the limiting reagent guys, they will take the two reactant, we will find the number of mole of first reactant, number of mole of second reactant, which is present in less, that will be the limiting reagent, which is present in more, that will be in excess. Okay, that's it guys. Understand one thing, whenever if we have to find the limiting reagent or if we have to find the agent which is present in excess, means reactant which is present in excess, so what we will do? We will write the balanced reaction. In balanced reaction we will find the number of moles for both the reactant. Number of moles first we will find for 2 Mg, then number of moles for O2. In both the reactant we will compare whose number of mole is less, that will be the limiting reagent, whose number of mole is more, higher, that will present in excess. Khatam. So we did the before, right? Same. The number of moles for Mg means given mass by molar mass. Mg is 24, there were 2 Mg, so 24 to the 48. We'll get the number of moles of Mg is this much. Now number of moles of this O2, given mass by molar mass, we'll get this much of mole. So which is present in less? So this is present in less, so this is a limiting reagent. This is present in more, so Mg will remain in excess. Easy for finding the limiting reagent or which is present in excess. And how much guys, how much? So very important thing, for finding how much we will use unitary method. This is very important guys. For finding how much means what? How much is present in excess, not how much present in limiting reagent, how much is present in excess, we will use unitary method. Unitary method means very simple guys. See here, unitary method means we will see here, dekho bhaiya, this much Mg is reacting with this much oxygen, means Mg is what? 24 into 2, 48 gram Mg is reacting with O2 means 32 gram of oxygen. So how much gram of magnesium reacts with 2.8 gram of oxygen? So from here unitary method means what? You will do the cross multiplication. So 4.8 into 0.2 equals x into 32. So for finding the x, we'll send the 32 to this side. So this side 32 is in multiply, when it will go that side it will be divide. So when you will solve this, you will get this much. Okay, so see here, what we understand till here. For finding which is in limiting reagent or which is excess reagent, what we will do? We will write the balanced chemical reaction. In that, two reactant will be there. For each reactant we will find the number of moles. From there we will get to know which is less means limiting reagent, which is present in highest means excess reagent. Okay, that's it, done. For finding how much is excess, for finding how much is present in excess, we will use unitary method. Unitary method means we'll see here 2 Mg means 48 gram atomic mass, will find 48 gram Mg, 2 Mg means 48 gram plus O2. So 48 gram Mg gives 32 gram O2. So how much excess? Which excess? Mg. So how much Mg reacts with 0.28 gram of oxygen, which is given in the question, 0.28 gram of O2. So we'll use the unitary method, the cross multiplication, and then we will get this much. Means understand, 48 gram of Mg reacts with 32 gram of O2. Then 0.42 gram of Mg reacts with 0.28 gram of O2. So guys, 0.42 Mg reacting. So 0.42 Mg is reacting, but we have to find Mg will remain in excess. How much Mg will remain in excess? So bhaiya remain, but here 0.42, whatever we are getting x, this 0.42 reacting, it's already reacting. So bhaiya, what we have to do? Guys, unitary method means what? Total will be 1. Unitary method means total will be 1. So magnesium is in excess. We have to find out how much it remain in excess. For remaining in excess means total minus how much it's reacting. 0.42 is reacting. Total minus how much it is reacting. So total minus this much is reacting. So this much is present in excess. Now 46. 25 centimeter cube volume. Okay. 25 centimeter cube of oxalic acid completely neutralized 0.064 gram of NaOH. भैया देखो oxalic acid is this COOH2. Oxalic acid reacts with NaOH. Guys, why I use 2 NaOH? Because here it is 2. So I will use the 2. So it will become easy for the balancing. So that's why CONA2 plus 2H2O. Okay. This is oxalic acid. Completely neutralize this much of NaOH. Find the molarity of oxalic acid. भाई देखो molarity of oxalic acid means what? Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. तो guys देखो here this is 25 centimeter cube. तो 25 centimeter cube means what? Volume is given. The volume is 25 centimeter cube. We will convert into liter divided by 1000. This much we get the volume. Means this value is being used for the volume. Okay. Now we have to find the number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute means this number of moles of oxalic acid. So guys, here for finding the number of moles, we have to take molar mass, means given mass by molar mass. What we have to take? Given mass by molar mass. Okay, but see, for oxalic acid we don't have a given mass. We have a given mass for NaOH. We have a given mass for NaOH 0.064 NaOH. Okay, given mass of NaOH. So wait a moment. Okay, wait. Fine. Okay, so for finding the number of moles of oxalic acid, we will see that oxalic acid given mass is not there. Only given mass of NaOH is present. So what we will do? Wait. First of all, we will find the moles of NaOH. Given mass by molar mass. NaOH molar mass is 40. So we will get the number of moles of NaOH. The reason behind why we find the number of moles of NaOH, because see here, this oxalic acid completely neutralized. So oxalic acid is neutralizing this. So bhaiya, neutralizing means what? How much oxalic acid? That much of how much oxalic acid we are taking, that much of NaOH. So it is totally neutralizing it. Right? Equal number of base, equal number of acid. It will neutralize to salt. Correct. So that's why if given mass of oxalic acid is not given, so we will take this mass of NaOH, we will find the moles of NaOH. Now we will see here, I see 1 mole of oxalic acid is to 2 mole of NaOH. So bhaiya dekho na, what is the mole of oxalic acid? Mole of oxalic acid is nothing but half of mole of NaOH. Correct. So guys, what we will do? We will find the mole of NaOH. Then mole of oxalic acid is what? Half of mole of NaOH. So we will do this. You will get the mole of oxalic acid. So molarity means mole of oxalic acid divided by this 0.0025 what? This volume. When you will divide this and all, you will get 0.032 molarity. Okay. See here why we did like that, because see, oxalic acid is using for completely neutralizing NaOH. Okay, so it will be the same ratio. We will consider it as a same. So guys, for finding the number of moles of oxalic acid, we don't have the given mass. So what we will do? We have a given mass of NaOH. So given mass by molar mass, we will find the moles of NaOH. And we will compare here. Moles of oxalic acid is 1. Moles of NaOH is 2. Means what? Mole of oxalic acid is nothing but half of mole of NaOH. So we will find the mole of oxalic acid is what? Mole of NaOH divided by 2, we will get this much. Then molarity we will find. Now last, see 20 ml of methane CH4 completely burnt using 50 ml of oxygen O2. We will get CO2 plus 2H2O balancing. Find volume of gas left after cooling to room temperature. We have to find the volume of gas left. Guys, very simple thing. देखो ये क्वेश्चन very simple है आया हुआ एग्जाम में. This question is very simple. Okay, very simple. This is the twisted part of question, but you can solve this question in just 1 minute. So focus here, guys. They say 20 ml of methane burnt using 50 ml of oxygen. Find the volume of the gas left. Guys, this is given 20 ml of methane is completely burnt using 50 ml of oxygen. Find the volume. What does this mean? All are present in volume. This is also present in volume. This is also present in volume. We have to find the volume. Means what? Simple process we will do. See what you understand from here. 20 ml of methane is completely burnt using 50 ml of oxygen. Means 20 ml of methane will require 20 ml of oxygen to burn. Correct? Because both are what? Both are volume. So 20 ml of methane is completely burning in 50 ml of oxygen. So what is the volume of gas left out? Okay, so bhaiya, what is that? Simple. 20 ml of methane if I will burn, it will take a 20 ml of oxygen. How you will say, sir, how we can say like that? The reason behind it, dekho bhaiya, what is the ratio here? 1 mole of methane, 1 mole of oxygen. So what we can see here? Ratio is 1:1. Means ratio is 1:1 means what? 20 mole of methane is completely burning in 20 mole of oxygen. See, the ratio is 1:1. So 20 mole of methane is completely burning in 20 mole of oxygen. The reason behind is ratio is the mole is 1:1. So 1:1 means 20 ml of methane will require 20 ml of oxygen to burn. So what is the volume of gas left out? So 50 total is how much? 50. 50 minus 20 is being used. 50 minus 20 is 30 ml that is being left out. That's it. Because here what will happen? 20 ml of methane is completely burning. So methane is not remaining. The oxygen gas is remaining here. That's it. Khatam. So guys, these 47 questions if you will do to examination, you will get from these type of questions only. Nothing outside, nothing, anything extra and all. Okay guys, so some basic concept of chemistry is done. Guys, if you are in 11th, please start doing this. So that's why in 12th you have to just focus for the 12th CET. Otherwise what will happen? Those who are in 12th, they had not completed for the 11th. Now they have to focus for both in a crash course, 11th, 12th, both. So it will become a hectic. Okay, so keep on doing, guys. If you like it, please like it, share to your friends, so let them also get benefit. Okay guys, so some basic concept of chemistry done. Next class we'll start with the structure of atom. So thank you, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.